Now, after missing for 5 days, Bhole Baba has resurfaced. Poised and seemingly unfazed by what has happened, he reappeared, expressing his distress on television. He claimed that he is deeply disturbed over the tragic stampede that unfolded at his satsang that claimed 123 lives. He, however, is urging his followers to stay strong and to have faith in the administration. Now, he is the same God-man who actually chose to flee and go into hiding when the stampede unfolded, abandoning his followers. Interestingly, he is not even named in the FIR. All this despite the CCTV footage very clearly showing that he fled from the scene. He was flanked by his security guards when he fled the spot when the stampede was taking place. In fact, the UP police is claiming he'll be questioned if it is necessary for him to be questioned. Till date, 6 arrests have been made so far. The main accused, Dev Prakash Madhukar, has actually surrendered in front of Delhi police. Dev Prakash Madhukar was the organizer of the satsang that took place in Hathras, and he is also Godman Suraj Pal's chief aide. The pressing question, however, remains: how does Bhole Baba continue to avoid accountability while issuing statements from the shadows?
नारायण साकार हर की संपूर्ण ब्रह्मांड में सदा सदा के लिए जय जयकार। हम 2 जुलाई की घटना के बाद बहुत ही व्यथित हैं। प्रभु हमें बस संगत को इस दुख की घड़ी से उबरने की शक्ति दें। सभी शासन एवं प्रशासन पर भरोसा बनाए रखें। हमें विश्वास है जो भी उपद्रवकारी हैं वो बख्शे नहीं जाएंगे। हमने अपने वकील डॉक्टर AP सिंह जी के माध्यम से कमेटी के महापुरुषों से ये प्रार्थना की है कि दिवंगत आत्माओं के परिजनों एवं इलाजरत घायलों के साथ जीवन पर्यंत संबंधन से खड़े रहने का आग्रह किया है, जिसको सभी ने माना भी है। सभी इस जिम्मेदारी को निभा भी रहे हैं। सभी महामंत्र का सहारा न छोड़ें। वर्तमान समय में वही माध्यम है सभी को सद्मति और सद्बुद्धि प्राप्त होने की इच्छा रखते हैं। नारायण साकार हर की संपूर्ण ब्रह्मांड में सदा सदा के लिए जय जयकार।
हाथरस प्रकरण में जो FIR में नामजद किए थे देव प्रकाश मधुकर, जिसे मुख्य आयोजक कहा गया था, आज हमने पुलिस को, SIT को और STF को यहाँ दिल्ली से उनके सामने, क्योंकि इलाज करा रहे थे, बुला के सरेंडर कर दिया है। ये मेरा वादा था कि हम कोई एंटीसिपेटरी बेल नहीं लगाएंगे, कोई एप्लीकेशन नहीं लगाएंगे और हम किसी कोर्ट में नहीं जाएंगे, क्योंकि हमने किया क्या, हमारा अपराध क्या है। वो इंजीनियर हैं, हार्ट पेशेंट थे। डॉक्टरों ने कहा ठीक अब थोड़ी सी स्थित है, हमने बिना किसी देर लगाए, लोग कहते अगले दिन, हमने आज वादा किया था, आज आप लोगों से कहा था कि हम देव प्रकाश मधुकर को सरेंडर करेंगे, पुलिस के सामने ले जाएंगे, पूछताछ करें, इन्वेस्टिगेशन में भाग लें, जांच में भाग लें। हमने उनको सौंप दिया है।
My colleague Santosh is now joining me on the story. Santosh, Baba has not been named in the FIR, but now we are seeing a statement coming from Baba, that too on television.
Definitely, this is another move of sharp mind Baba, that he comes over the television and says that he is in the deep sorrow by the demise of his followers, and says that he is having a faith in the investigation, he is having the faith on the administration. that is very alarming. That Baba is taking each and every step by each and every movement is very cleverly and under the guidance of his Supreme Court lawyer AP Singh, and he also says thanks to AP Singh. Before that, one more important development takes place last night when AP Singh releases a bite that 1 lakh rewardee Dev Prakash Madhukar is being surrendered before the Hathras police. It means both person, Dev Prakash Madhukar and the Baba, both were in the touch of AP Singh. And first, Dev Prakash Madhukar was being surrendered, claimed to be surrendered before the Hathras police. On other side, Hathras police is claiming that they have arrested Dev Prakash Madhukar from a street in Delhi, and today they will send him to the judicial custody. Hathras police was not saying that Dev Prakash Madhukar willingly came to himself and he surrenders him before the police. He says that we have taken his number on the surveillance, and by the surveillance we have zeroed down and we nabbed him on the Delhi street area.
Right.
So there is a controversy on the Dev Prakash Madhukar was surrendered or the arresting. But on the other side, this Baba comes over the television and says that have faith on administration. And one more thing, that he says that no culprit should be left by the investigation. So he's setting himself that he is not having any relation with the stampede. He's in the deep sorrow. He pays the condolences to the families, to the those who have lost their lives. So this is the first time the Baba comes before the screen. And
right, Santosh, my colleague there, giving us the details. The first time that after 5 days, Bhole Baba has resurfaced and given a statement on television.